myself in the head. Oops. Yeah, that's... I wanted to look at the hands while they were going. For easier movement, you kind of want to go in bursts. You don't want to go like hold down the button and just like zoom on. Cause like there's definitely like that when you release the joystick, you're still going kind of effect. Because of that lag. So let me see. I'm gonna try to see like just I might crash into you, but we'll see what happens. I think. But actually, honestly, this isn't so bad. It definitely blurs when it's in motion. Yeah. All right. Oh, my view is centered now. All right, hold on. Let me see. I was able to see the cord and get myself off of it. All right, I'm gonna move myself away from this area. All right. Now we'll execute the spin. Nice. And stopping. Uh-oh, Grover detects obstacle ahead. Rolling over it. Cool. Alright, this is definitely right on par with the way Grover was originally. Maybe a little better because the view is improved as far as the field of view. And oh yeah.